Welcome back onto the Red Cat. Curtain parts on it.
There we go, we'll just let that drip.
A new starter and a couple other rolls that will end up breaking. They will break eventually.
Man, we gotta clean our trash pile up.
And if all goes according to plan, you might have a few spare parts that we don't have to buy for the blue one that's out there. Well, we're changing them just so that way they don't. So if all goes to plan, we'll have a coil and a plug and a couple air deals.
We'll have a
out there.
carburetor so far. We're gonna have an ignition coil. We're gonna have a CDI box. A starter relay.
CDI might be the problem on this one.
There's nothing wrong. Anyway.
We'll have a couple
We
of parts,
changed the carburetor on it.
as y'all saw.
Still had a couple of spit and sputters, so let's just change the entire ignition system. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Well, the starter flayed out on us because we wore it out. So a starter, 2 spark plugs, which I don't understand that. It only has one.
That gives us an extra spark plug though.
It really does. Starter, spark plugs, starter relay, CDI box, ignition coil, all of it together. Yes, like 38 bucks, man. Hell, we're trying to figure it out. We just changed it all. So that's today's video.
Very much so fun. Let's roll. Okay. We will be doing something on the blue one eventually. Right now it's just kind of put on hold. We do have half a video recorded for it, but right now it's on hold till we get a starter. And the end game plan was put this old starter on there when we bought it.
That was the original plan because this is the one I really want to run.
We were going to get a new starter for this one, but this starter played out, so that plan has now been sent to the dumpster.
This wire comes from the start. Alright. Let's start with the starter relay. Wait a minute.
I got a Nixie coil right here.
That's over here on the other side. Let's do the starter and starter relay real quick. Knock them out. Because the starter bolts up to the starter relay.
Got a relay?
And the starter's going to bolt up to the starter relay, so
No, it don't bolt to it. It just,
the wire.
yeah. And a starter.
We don't bolt to it.
And if you see some stuff that like I'll say I'll pretty quick in here and I don't, I have to sort through like 45 minutes of film to get down to those 20-minute videos, so I missed some stuff and I'll put that in
Man,
a long time.
get on top of the game. Let's
That and I make decisions.
make us a portable workbench. We got something right over there that'll work.
That and I make decisions while I'm editing to just not do that. Because sometimes I say something twice and I don't remember. Because a lot of times it's like 5 days for a video on some things.
Got a portable bench. Here's our brand new stock up. Brand new.
fun. Not one, but two parts aren't going. For some reason, this CDI box won't fit this full here. But it'll sure as well fit the blue one. So we got a new one for the blue one. And the ignition coil just don't line up on this one.
No, starter relay.
Starter relay, yeah. And the ignition coil, you had to do some modifications to it too.
I did do some modifications to it.
So basically, this whole kit probably, well, besides the starter relay, because it won't fit that one either.
It would work for that if we did. But hey, we're gonna use that.
But we would have to splice it. Those two have the exact same relay, exact same connections.
Well, our starter relay worked, so didn't need that.
We're gonna end up having.
I don't know if our CDI box is bad or not, but hey, I didn't want to change it.
We have one for the other one.
So, you know what? We got parts for yada yada.
So we might be trying to find the correct CDI box.
I doubt that too. I don't know. I'm gonna work on this gas tank situation.
Ugh. Woo-wee. Which y'all on charge when I get back in, but everything's back there what we put in. So maybe now it will actually spin over and run and stay running.
We didn't have a choke, did we?
It's electronically controlled. No. Damn, dude, stop.
Haven't got any fuel in this thing. The filters barely got fuel in it.
All right. Just filling it up. Dry fuel in the tank.
We're just not making that long sweep back up.
Nope.
Let's shorten it up.
So we were playing around off camera, it kind of died. Before y'all, we kind of busted off, so before y'all die on this camera, we're gonna get it running and then we're gonna do our deal, so. Just busted off camera. Here. There, Ryan. Throw some meat for up in there, filthy.
Yeah, that's been how we've been having to do it. Put a little bit on it. Ready?
Yeah.
Wasn't getting no fuel in this filter. The filter's full now.
Hey, when in doubt, grab zip ties, duct tape, and don't forget the E for brake clean.
Dude.
Go get your own. Get the Zip Ties merch at the links in the description below. That thing is cool. Hey, that's a new shirt idea. Don't forget the ithwitt. Y'all comment down below if you want to see that. Not the y'all might. That'd be a funny idea. Don't forget the ithwitt. There ain't much in there, but you can put some more. Well, it just died. But there you have it. That's going to conclude this one. It's probably a shorter video. In fact, before this, I might throw in something else on this. I don't know. If not, well, it's going to be a short video. If I do, well, you'll get some riding clips of it, seeing our reaction to if it's better or not. Most likely, it's going to conclude this one. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.
My life, I'ma wake up and I'll take what's mine. Ain't no way I'll wait in line.